tip is get a hot pressure washer. We know.
You may have seen our cool racing stuff videos. Today, we're doing a spring test. Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on today's video. We are going to Cherokee Speedway tonight. It is Thursday. They have open practice, and then we will run again tomorrow night after their races are over. Our full show is Saturday. But car's ready to go. I'm ready to go. We're going to go rip some laps with Cherokee tonight. Working on some new driving stuff. Car's pretty much the same that we took to Sumter. I think it's the best we've been. So we're going to keep working off that as kind of our baseline at the moment. Thanks for clicking on the video. Let's go to the racetrack. One of the things we'll be working on tonight is my footwork. Most of the cars I've driven, the throttle pedal is it's not an on-off switch, but it's certainly not as sensitive as it is with this car, 800 horsepower on dirt. So there's a look at my pedals. So I have one of these roller bearing pedals, which I think are kind of weird. They're kind of unique to this type of racing. At least this is the only thing I've ever seen them in. Normal brake pedal. I'm undecided on these roller pedals. I get it. I get what they're trying to do. I don't know. This is so weird from anything I've ever done. So let me know what you guys think of the roller pedals. So it's got these little rollers. You can just kind of see I can kind of turn them with my foot, and then it's still got the pullback on it right there, like a normal race pedal. We're at Cherokee Speedway now. Track just behind me. There's the exit of the racetrack into the pits. Look at the pit area. Getting ready to suit up here in just a few minutes and roll some laps. Taking basically the same car that we had at Sumter here, the exception of a gear and things like that. So see how it goes. Visibly something wasn't right, so we made a change. We decided to take the traction shock out of the left rear to see what that did. That was one of the major changes that we had when we came here, so we decided to undo that and see what happened. In the second session, the car was far better. out for our third session. Still a little bit tight through the center, and so we are trying to loosen up the entry a little bit to see if that helps through the rest of the corner, through the middle, and off the exit. So we're seeing what we can do to loosen up that entry a little bit, and we're gonna go out for our third session now. Might be the last session of the night, but we'll see what happens, and we'll keep you posted. Finishing loading up here about 11:15. Thursday, open practice at Cherokee. Kind of spent some time debriefing. I don't really know what to say about tonight. Handling wise, bad at times, okay at others handling wise. We know that we're learning, so there's that, but boy, it feels like a long journey. There's kind of a little bit of a tiny little berm there. Here's the racetrack. It was throwing dust late, but never really grayed out or anything like that. Look down the back straightaway. So we're debating on what to do for tomorrow. Right now we're not fast enough. I mean, that's just back at the 95 shop. Race cars right there, getting ready to wash. This is a bummer one. We are not finishing the weekend at Cherokee. There's a few things. Being a budget team, we do have to try to make decisions that work within our budget, and it was clear on Thursday night that we didn't have enough speed to make the show. Plain and simple, didn't have the speed. Why do we not have the speed is still something up in the air. I do think we learned a lot at Cherokee on Thursday night. So I don't know if we have a mechanical gremlin that shows up. I kind of think we do, and I think it really shows up on higher load tracks, places that are a little bit bigger, a little bit faster, our top speed at Cherokee is like 100 miles an hour plus, and our top speed at Sumter, I don't think we ever crossed 90. So the load and the forces that the car sees is different at those two tracks. And it got to the point where, I mean, the first session at Cherokee, we were terrible, like bad. And we made progress throughout the night, but then we plateaued. One thing is we do need laps, so we're giving up laps, but on the other hand, I feel like we can go and get more productive laps with that same amount of money and have a shot to make the show at other places. So still determining what's next for us. This is not how we wanted to end this weekend, but it is what it is. So we all came to this decision together as a team. I think it is the right decision. I think it was a difficult decision to make, but I do think it was the right decision. Give you a look at the race car here on the trailer, getting ready to get washed. We didn't hit anything. We didn't break anything that we know of. I do have some questions about a couple things because we had a couple of little weird things happen and pop up. There's the old new nose still on the car. Here we are. So I'm gonna wash this thing up, get everything taken off, see what we don't find. If we don't find something, we'll go back to the drawing board and get back to the track and see what we got. And if we do find something, we'll let you know. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for supporting our channel. I'm real thankful for everybody's support. See you on the next one.